Hi guys, now I want to show you how dbFlux can help you to create, let's say for example, a table. I have our empty project opened and with the command Ctrl-Alt-C or dbFlux create object, we have to choose the folder we want the file to be created in. Then we have to give a name and accept by pressing enter. In this case, I give the name to do or to do's plural form for our table. So now dbFlux has created a file, and because it is created inside the folder, dbFlux calls a snippet which is included by default. So we can just use it. Or you can use your own template by naming it like the folder with the desired extension. In this case, it would be tables.sql. So I give the column a prefix and then let's say the name column and vaka2 and don't want not null. Yes. So dbFlux includes a variety of templates. So by entering dbF, VSCode will show you some of these. So here we create an index and a primary key, and so I choose the index snippet, use the primary key column, whoops, and now I use the constraint snippet. And give the prefix, and here we are done. And now let's say we want our own snippet to be included. So for the trigger, in this case, I call it. I have placed this in the snippet file for the project and just can enter my desired prefix. So, and as you can see, all the templates start with a dash dash file marker, followed by the path of the desired file name. So for this purpose, this is for the purpose of CI/CD or for just versioning your tables. dbFlux can split the files by these markers. So if you execute the command dbFlux split or hit Ctrl-Alt-S, all the files are splitted into the corresponding folders. Here you can find them. And with calling join files or Ctrl-Alt-J, you can concatenate these files again and compile or run this file towards your database connections. This is done by hitting Ctrl-Alt-B or running the command compile current file. So I hope you got an idea of how dbFlux can help you at your daily work. Next time I will show you how to configure dbFlux to build table APIs on demand. Thank you.